Good morning, good afternoon. Whenever you're viewing this, welcome HTM 101. I'm super excited again this week to check in with you and hope you're doing well. It looks like a little bit more opportunities for things opening up, so please make sure that you're safe as we head to the orange tier in San Mateo County, and it looks like San Francisco County should be there this week as well. I am coming to you from the syllabus view in Canvas, just to make sure that you're aware of this view as well, and that you can see at a quick glance some of the upcoming items that are due. And so I did want to take a note also at the end of this conversation to review the Build Your Own Restaurant 2 assignment and provide some helpful hints on how to be able to tackle that. So this particular week and next week are a little bit lighter. Well, I guess depends on how you look at it. So this coming week, we do have the midterm, so that'll be a quiz. It'll be assigned through Canvas. I'll make it available right as you're viewing this. It's going to be available, and you'll be able to take your time to be able to review your notes and really assess your mastery of all of the material that we've covered in chapters 1 through 8 so far. And then right after that is spring break. So I won't be sending any more announcements over spring break. However, I will be posting, someone had requested because of differences in kind of family scheduling, the materials for the following week to be posted early. So I will be posting early, but it'll be available for 2 weeks or longer. So no need to worry about that. And I really do hope that everyone takes the time this week to celebrate all that you've learned so far in hospitality through the first 8 weeks with a great job on your midterm, and then spring break, and then we'll be able to reconnect in April. So I will be canceling the office hours for the spring break week unless anyone needs anything or we want to schedule something separately. Now, I wanted to pull up on my screen for you. Let me just arrow over a little bit. So I have an example here. So, and I was very specific when I did this food cost exercise at one point. And so this particular dish was spaghetti and meatballs, and I actually Googled a recipe and saw what it would take, like how many ounces were needed or pounds or what have you. And the tricky thing is sometimes the cost of a particular ingredient is going to give you more than what you need, right? And so I was a little bit more specific or detailed on this one, and certainly for the homework assignment, you didn't need to be. But if, for example, olive oil, I had $19.99, and that was cost per unit, and I needed to get everything into how much it was per ounce because I decided to have everything as how many ounces of a particular ingredient I would need. So if I needed 6 ounces of olive oil and it was $1.18 per ounce, that meant that I needed $7.10 worth of olive oil, which is kind of a lot of olive oil. At any rate, when you have the total cost, right, the $60.65 in this example, all of these ingredients together for the amount that I was using for a dish was $60.65. But look here, it says serve 6. So then I divided it by the 6 to get a per plate or per person, right, cost of $10.11. And if I said at the very beginning that my spaghetti and meatball dish I was going to sell for $18, I would simply take the $10.11 divided by the $18 and get the 56% food cost. So I wanted to show this example to be able to allow you to better understand the food cost percentage. I think a couple of opportunities we had, some people thought that was profit and thought it was good. And so we want to make sure that we're within guidelines and that we're hovering somewhere around 28 to 32% food cost, maybe even a little bit lower, 26 to 32. So I hope that example, although it is much more detailed than you would ever need to be, if you told me, Lisa, it costs me $12 to make spaghetti and meatballs, here was the ingredients, and I'm going to sell it for $20, and here's the math, 12 divided by 20. You're definitely welcome to do that. But I saw a couple of people had some questions, and so I thought maybe I'll just answer it on here like this. So I hope that helps clear it up. But if not, or if you have additional questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. And as always, if you have any questions as you're going through the midterm, don't hesitate to let me know that as well. I'm happy to be able to help you understand and learn better, because that's really the goal. The goal is not for you to take tests, it's for you to learn and enjoy the material. So I wish you a very good midterm week, a very good spring break week, and we will be back with tourism when we return. So take care, and until then, let me know if you need anything.